Good day everyone, today I'm showing you how to make the most amazing dessert ever. All the thing you need, 2 ingredients guys. Nice, soft, juicy, sweet persimmon and 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, sweetened one. That's it, you don't need anything anymore. Only thing we do now, we peel the skin from persimmon, we put it in a blender, we add a little bit of cacao powder and we blend it until desired consistency, so everything is smooth and blended together. That's it guys, our dessert is ready. You put it in a nice jar, in a nice cup, and it's ready. One more thing you can do, you can freeze it. Can you believe it? That's it. The only thing you need. And the dessert is ready. I put mine in the freezer for about half an hour. It's so sweet. You still can feel persimmon, but it with just chocolate twist. Amazing guys, just amazing. If you cannot make your kids eat the fruits, so do this. They're gonna tell them it's chocolate mousse, they're gonna believe you. Now I'm gonna enjoy my dessert and I'm gonna see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.